guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining us, I am Chef Janet. You are so very much welcome to our channel. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Do what? Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification just beside it, so that every time I have a new simple recipe, you are instantly notified on the same. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this minced beef stew, a very nice and special recipe. Let's get rolling. So my ingredients today of making special minced beef stew, I have some 200 grams of minced meat, I have some 1 large potato cubed, I have some salt, I have some garlic paste, I have some carrots here cubed, I have some Royco beef cube also, I have my green peas, they are fresh, I have my tomato paste right here, I have my Royco, my cumin and my black pepper right here. I have some coriander, and into my sufuria I have some cooking oil and my onions. So I'm going to fry this till they are translucent. Then I'm going to add in my garlic. So my onion is starting to brown, so I'm going to add in my garlic. So I always add in my garlic late because it cooks very fast and I don't want it to burn. At any time when you find yourself burning your garlic, your stew will be bitter. I don't want my stew to be bitter, so I add it this late. So we're going to cook this for some 2 to 3 minutes, then it is ready. My onions have browned perfectly, and now I'm going to add in my meat, my minced beef. And we're going to give this a good stir. So you're going to stir and make sure that your beef is not like sticking together. Scatter it completely. So I've been stirring my meat for the past like 2 minutes and it is scattered perfectly. I'm going in with my tomato paste. So I'm going to give it a good stir and let it cook well, because I don't like that raw taste of tomato paste. So let it cook for like 1 minute. So my meat has been, my tomato paste has cooked for about 2 minutes. I'm going with my fresh green peas, carrots, and finally potatoes. And we're going to give this a good stir. And I'm also going to add in my spices, my Royco, cumin and black pepper, like that. And I'm going to add in some salt. So the salt I'm going to add in a little bit, because remember I have the beef cube which also has some salt. This beef cube really adds the flavor, that very nice concentrated flavor, and it is very essential, so please don't skip it. I'm going to give this a stir. While the vegetables absorb my spices, I'm just going to let this stay for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add in my water. So that my beef stew will be very nice and tasty, I added some cubed tomatoes. So I'm going to let these tomatoes cook and release all their juices. So I'm going to cover this and let it cook for about 3 minutes. So my tomatoes are now tender, perfectly done, and you can see my minced beef is looking very colorful, and I can tell it is very, very delicious. So to make sure that my veggies are perfectly done, that is my potato and my green peas, I'll just go in with a half cup of water and we are just going to let this simmer for like 5 minutes and our stew will be perfect and ready. Wow, so my minced beef is ready and my stew is perfectly done. So finally we are going to sprinkle in our dania. Perfect. And give this a stir. Yum yum. You can serve this alongside chapati, some rice, or even some ugali, and I promise you that your family is going to love this. And up to that point, that is how I made my minced beef stew. It is very delicious. Please be sure to try it and don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Until then, I've been your girl, Chef Janet. See you then. Bye bye.